Hey, welcome back to YT Finance, and today we are talking about stock news pertaining to Nano Dimension's NNDM stock, Desktop Metal's DM stock, XONE stock, and many other 3D printing companies. We will also discuss the new acquisitions that are taking place concerning these companies and how we can use this news to make money. Lastly, we will conclude with some of my personal favorite 3D printing stocks and what Cathie Wood of ARK Invest thinks of these companies. Remember to go and press the like button right now if you own any of these stocks, or if you like Cathie Wood. Comment your favorite 3D printing stock down below, turn on all subscription notifications to stay informed, and now let's get right into today's stories. First, let's start off by talking about how much Nano Dimension and Desktop Metal ARK Invest owns. NNDM stock is located in 4 of Cathie Wood's ARK ETFs, such as IZRL, PRNT, ARKQ, and ARKW. Currently, we are looking at ARK Invest's PRNT ETF, in which Nano Dimension makes up a whole 3.23%, while Desktop Metal, ticker symbol DM, is in only one ARK ETF, which makes up 3.08%. NNDM stock ranks as number 16 by weight, and DM stock ranks lower at number 18 according to Cathie Wood. However, overall, Cathie Wood of ARK Invest owns much more NNDM shares that are worth tens of millions of dollars compared to DM stock, which ARK only owns around $15 million worth of. But if we go to the top of the PRNT ETF, we see that XONE stock, ticker symbol XONE, and 3D Systems, ticker symbol DDD, are 2 of Cathie Wood's favorite companies, with XONE only being located in the PRNT ETF, while 3D Systems is located into the PRNT ETF and the ARKQ ETF. Both of these companies by weight rank as number 1 and number 2 in the PRNT ETF because they both make up a little more than 5% of it. However, because Nano Dimension and 3D Systems are in more ETFs, ARK Invest and Cathie Wood have more capital invested into those companies. I am surprised that more investors don't own or talk about NNDM stock. Ever since the Reddit community targeted NNDM stock as a short squeeze pump and dump meme stock, Nano Dimension stock has had a poor reputation, yet Cathie Wood still buys more of them every so often. Objectively, at its current price point, NNDM is great for value investors, which means it is trading at or around its fair price value of $5.40. The main problem here is that many investors invested into Nano Dimension stock during its Reddit-fueled rally, where the stock went from around $8 to around $17. However, in my personal opinion, that was way too high of a price point to pay for the stock at that time. However, if your average NNDM stock price is lower than $6 or around $5.40, then waiting is your best option here for long-term growth gains. Now, if you believe and understand Nano Dimension's technology, or you really like the company's business model, that's another great reason to own their stock, because fundamentally, Nano Dimension is more than on track to transform the manufacturing industry for electronics. Nano Dimension has more than enough cash on hand in their cash reserves to last them 5 to 6 years of operations, which is when we can actually see if Nano Dimension is growing their revenues appropriately. And according to their second quarter 2021 financial results, they have around $1.4 billion worth of cash on hand. Nano Dimension is also in current negotiations with another company that they plan to acquire, so there's going to be a lot of acquisition news in this video, but that's going to be slightly later. Thanks to Nano Dimension's self-learning and self-correcting 3D printing machines that can print multi-layered circuit boards and semiconductors along with microelectronic devices, Nano Dimension is set to blossom in the coming years. So now could be a great time to invest into this stock early, but only if you planned on holding this company for the long term. Many investors overlook Nano Dimension and don't appreciate their revolutionary technology, and I don't blame them, because NNDM is a wait and hold stock and people want quick returns. Nano Dimension is also doing great in terms of revenues, which grew by 68%, and their gross margins increased by 40%, which is fantastic. This means that the $1.62 million that they generated in revenue helped them achieve great gross margins. NNDM stock is a different type of investment, and it will only get people's attention when it starts to rally massively in the future, because according to data, they are generating great revenues and they have loads of cash on hand for multiple acquisitions. But remember to do your own research before investing into any stock, including this one, because I personally only own this stock through ETFs. Now let's talk about some acquisitions. So Desktop Metal is on a massive buying spree right now of acquiring other 3D printing companies, and this stock and company will become Cathie Wood's new favorite 3D printing stock. Recently, Desktop Metal has acquired the fluid power system developer named Adro. And Adro specializes in replacing outdated hydraulic designs with 3D printed alternatives. This will improve Desktop Metal's market penetration into oil, gas, energy, and industrial markets. The co-CEO and vice president of business development at Adro had to say this, and I quote, "We are thrilled to join forces with Desktop Metal. This partnership will enable us to continue investing in the expansion of additive manufacturing for next-generation hydraulic solutions that disrupt massive industries such as oil, gas, and aerospace." End quote. Adro was founded in 1982, but they began additive manufacturing in 2007. This was because they found out that they could save time, optimize performance, and that they could 3D print a plethora of products, such as hydraulic valve blocks, spools, high-pressure manifolds, and even heat exchangers. So this is a great example of an industry manufacturer that switched over to 3D printing technology, and it saved them time and money, and it increased their performance. And eventually, I think the entire manufacturing industry is eventually going to switch over to some type of additive manufacturing. The co-CEO even went on to say, AM, which is additive manufacturing, offers benefits unmatched by conventional manufacturing. And once Adro realized its advantages, we quickly allocated resources to develop expertise and take advantage. With access to Desktop Metal's scale and industry-leading AM 2.0 technology portfolio, including its volume production-focused metal binder jetting solutions, we are thrilled at the growth potential for Adro. So this is a great acquisition for Desktop Metal. Currently, the DM stock is worth around $8 a share and dropping, but it did have an initial spike when it merged with Trine Acquisition in December of 2020, which is how Desktop Metal went public. This was a $2.5 billion reverse merger, but that is not even the best part. In the beginning of this video, we said that Cathie Wood of ARK Invest had a favorite 3D printing stock, and it was XONE. Well, Desktop Metal has signed an agreement to buy out XONE for $575 million in cash and shares. Once this buyout is completed, Desktop Metal will probably become Cathie Wood's largest holding in her PRNT ETF, because this combines the two largest binder jetting companies together that are on the open market. Desktop Metal is not only gaining the facilities of the acquired companies, but they are also getting their workers and their intellectual property, which include their ISO 9001 and AS/EN 9100 certifications, which are very relevant in aerospace. The article says, and I quote, "Adro brings a talented team with decades of experience in hydraulics and fluid power systems, and a passion for leveraging AM to deliver performance advantages." The quote goes on to say, "We are excited about the acquisition and look forward to advancing AM 2.0 for high-volume production of hydraulics, valves, fluid power systems, and many more end-user parts in development with Adro." So Desktop Metal as a company and their DM stock should be at least on your radar, because the company is about to become much larger when their acquisition of XONE is completed. So the great 3D printing stocks that should be on your watch list are, of course, Nano Dimension, ticker symbol NNDM, 3D Systems, ticker symbol DDD, Desktop Metal, ticker symbol DM, and Stratasys, ticker symbol SSYS. But I do really like investing into the PRNT ETF by ARK Invest, so I get exposure to a large portion of the whole 3D printing industry. And I also do own Desktop Metal and 3D Systems directly, while I do not own Stratasys or Nano Dimension directly. But what do you think? Comment your thoughts down below. Remember to like this video right now, subscribe if you are new, and I will see you in the next YT video.